we're making video with my cousin with this sour highlighter.
No.
Highlighter. I mean lighter. Lighter. It's very sour. When I buy the vaccine one, I sprayed too many. I cried, bro. And her, that's the... Bro! Stop drinking it! When I drink it that much, I'll cry. Definitely cry. I sprayed too much on my tongue. I cried. And my cousin, when I sprayed too much on her, it's not very sour for her. Does she have magic? Okay, go. Busi mo lahat. Ay, wag mo na. Save mo na yan. Save mo na yan. It's not very sour. Very sour. Yeah.
Please stop it now. You're destroying all of my drinks.
What do you mean? Okay, guys, I have some TikTok account. You can see my face there. Yeah. I have a TikTok account. Okay, I'll show you later.
It's Michael Jackson.
Yeah, I'm a Michael Jackson fan, and I'm going to buy the Michael Jackson toy.
You're big.
If you want me to speak Filipino later, like the button. But if you don't like it, that's okay. I'm not begging. I'm not forcing you. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. This is all.
Yay!